PineSol can drive mice out temporarily, but lasting prevention requires sealing entry points and changing conditions that attract them. Start by locating every possible entry point using a flashlight and a probe like a thin screwdriver to find gaps around foundations, pipes, vents, and where utilities enter the house. Use a combination of copper mesh and silicone caulk for small gaps under 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch wide, and for larger holes, use steel wool packed tightly, then capped with expanding foam and a rigid patch plate for durability. Wash and deodorize any areas where mice have nested with an enzyme cleaner to remove pheromones and nest odors that lure returning animals. Eliminate food sources by storing dry goods in glass or heavy plastic with tight lids, cleaning pet food bowls after each feeding, and removing outdoor bird feeders at night. Maintain a 100% clear perimeter by keeping vegetation trimmed back at least 1 foot from the foundation and storing firewood at least 20 feet from the house raised off the ground. Finally, refresh scent-based repellents only as a supplementary tactic, placing small amounts in inaccessible cavities so you do not mask signs of new entry or interfere with inspections. Common mistakes include sealing only visible holes and missing smaller gaps where pipes and cables pass through. The fix is to inspect inside closets, attics, and crawl spaces and follow penetrations from both inside and outside to ensure complete closure. People rely solely on strong scents like PineSol and forget that these do not remove food or shelter attractants. The remedy is to combine scent use with rigorous sanitation and structural exclusion so the environment becomes unattractive. Another frequent problem is using materials rodents can chew through, such as regular foam or thin plastic. Use steel mesh, metal flashing, or concrete for long-term barriers, and regularly check patched areas for wear. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community where we discuss practical home maintenance and pest prevention strategies. We help contractors find work by listing projects and hosting conversations that match skills to needs.